I just got the keys to my very first apartment in Berkeley. Long time no chat. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, otherwise known as the Vintage Academic. I am a junior transfer student at UC Berkeley, and today we're moving to Berkeley. That's right, folks, you heard me right. I am packing up my life and heading off to a studio apartment for which I'll be paying way too much money in a city where I can't even be on campus, but we're doing it. So I did not film any of the packing process in terms of like putting stuff in boxes because it's been like a week's long process. But today we are packing the cars and we're heading out, so I thought I would start the vlog now. Let me just show you what I've got going on, and then I need to help my mom because she is currently packing the car for me. So we got, my desk has been deconstructed. We've got the mirror to my vanity, which I am not taking with me. The vanity, I'm taking the mirror, just not the vanity. Dresser, got some food, some sparkling water, taking my trunk, which I'm going to use as a coffee table, toiletries, desk stuff, kitchen stuff, more desk stuff, side table, bookshelves. But yeah, I'm going to start helping my mom pack up the car because she is so kindly doing it for me while I stand here and vlog. So, let's do it. Ready?
Oh. It's like a teaspoon of dirt in there.
Hi. What you doing? Did you hear that?
Oh, I should put some catnip in there.
Put some catnip in there.
There we go.
What you got? Wait, show the camera what you have. Ooh. She knows what you're doing.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Look at the side of her body.
I know, she's covered in it.
Girlfriend. Hello. You can't go around the house spreading dirt like that.
Better than any cat tree, huh, little girl?
Better show that with Paul when he's done.
We're almost done packing up the car, and James is like, go get the last few things that we need to pack, and I'm like, okay, what do I need to pack? And my mom's like, your dog? Because I forgot about my dog. Are you ready for a new adventure, buddy? Are you ready? Can you say, ow, ow, ow? Ow! Ow! Good boy. Yeah. The lighting's really terrible and I'm crying, but we have the car all packed up, the truck's all packed up, and we're heading out. So I've got my buddy and I'm crying, but I'll see you guys at the apartment. Everybody, we made it to the apartment. I have my little dude here with me. Hi, buddy. What do you think? He's exploring, figuring out what the heck is going on. What do you think, buddy? Yeah. That's kind of concerning because he could jump out those windows. What you think? You like it? You looking for James? I'm gonna have to leave you alone in here while we start unloaded. Come here. Bed. Good boy. All right, I'm gonna leave you here while we get the stuff. Good night. It's so comfy. Okay, hello everybody. It is 9:20 p.m. Here's where we're at. We have moved everything in. The cars are empty. The truck has been returned to the rental place. James is in the kitchen heating up some dinner. We've got the little tiny stove here. And the plastic utensils because I forgot to pack utensils.
Somehow that wasn't like number one on the list.
I don't know. Here is the state of my studio apartment for the time being. We have trash, stuff that needs to be unpacked, my bed airing out because I just bought it today, more stuff that needs to be unpacked, my bookshelves which need to be put together. Oh, and don't forget, I have school tomorrow and homework to do tonight at some point, so we're doing great. I'm just gonna set up the camera while I get unpacked, or at least start unpacking, and yeah. I forgot my lights. Oh well.
Dude, sit. Sit.
Why do you make so much noise? Hello, good morning. It is Thursday. We have officially spent our first night in my new apartment. I have a lot of stuff to do today though because I still have school. Dougie, please buddy. It's 9 o'clock. I have office hours for accepted consulting in an hour, but we're gonna go and run and grab some coffee and hopefully something to eat from the famous Cafe Strada. And yeah, that's where we're at. Oh, I should also update you. That heater in the background and my stove both have gas leaks. So yeah, the PG&E guy came and shut them both off, but now I have to get them repaired. Okay, so we're gonna take this crying dog down and we're gonna go get some coffee. Checking in. We went to Cafe Strada. James. Okay, checking in. We went to Cafe Strada. I got a chai and it's delicious. I just did office hours for accepted consulting. Now James and I are gonna take a quick stroll before I have. Can you? James and I are gonna take a quick stroll before my class starts. I realized that I didn't really, like, I'm not vlogging very well, which I say every time I vlog, but vlogging while moving is like a whole nother thing. And I also I just haven't you know what, let's sit down and do a really quick update. Okay, so the way yesterday went, I got up, I had class, went and got the rental car, started packing. James had class. We finally get the car packed and we leave at like 4 p.m. We have to make it to San Francisco, to Japantown before 6. We got there at like 5:30 so I could pick up my bed because I bought instead of getting a mattress, I decided to go with like a Japanese futon so I could put it away in the closet. We get there at like 5:45. I run to go buy the mattress. We load it up into the car. We finally make it to the apartment. We're not done unpacking until like, what, 9 o'clock at night? So the entire apartment is a mess. And then this morning we had PG&E come and do a safety check for the apartment because it's always smelled a little bit like gas. And I know that houses that haven't been occupied for a long time can have that smell. You just need to like start using the oven and the stove. But it was pretty overwhelming. So we had the safety check done. My heater and my stove are both leaking. So he had to turn off the stove and he disconnected the heater. And now I don't have any way to cook food. So
I will also throw out there that he breaks out the little gas gauge. It sounds like a Geiger counter. And it's like click, 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 click. I'm like, I wonder if that's bad. And it goes, wee. We're like, that's not good.
Yeah, so the entire apartment is a right mess. I'll just give you guys a quick look, but we're gonna go for a quick walk just down to some shops on Telegraph Avenue. But let me show you what the apartment looks like, because it's fun. Junk. Got some trash.
More trash.
More trash. This is my office for the day. My dog. My bookshelves, which are in pieces. My trunk, which will serve as my coffee table, is behind the couch. In the kitchen, we have Doogie's breakfast, which he still hasn't eaten. We have the boxes I haven't unpacked. We have stuff, snacks, food that I need to organize. And then the kitchen, which we made a mess out of because we had dinner last night. So that's where I'm at. I have no idea how I'm organizing this vlog, but why don't we just go downtown and hang out a little bit before class starts. Alright, well, James and I have packed some bags. We're gonna head back to my mom's house. It was cool staying here for one day, but I'm gonna wrap up the vlog now. Thank you so much for coming along this journey with me. I'm so happy to be here. Oh wait, I need to show them that we set up some furniture and stuff like that.
We
It
did.
looks awesome in here, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, we are going to head home, so I'm gonna sign out. I did.
Cool.
You wanna say bye?
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me any questions, comments, or concerns below. Don't forget to subscribe for future UC Berkeley content, and I'll see you in the next video.